you already have some meal, right? You already have some meal, big boy. Big boy. We call you lion, you know. We call you lion, but it's not like lion, but you're big. Big boy, come on, small boy. Come on. You poo poo? You poo poo? Are you poo poo? What about little girl? Hello, little girl. Oh, what's that? It's okay, it's okay. You tired? You tired? Big boy, wow, you are smart. You are, such a good boy. Good boy. Come on, good boy. Good boy. Good boy. Good boy. Sorry. Oh, what happened, little girl? What happened, little girl? Huh? What happened? Okay, shake hand. Okay, good boy. Oh, little girl, you alright? Are you alright? Huh? Yeah. Little girl, you alright? Huh? Yeah, you alright? Oh, three of you. Oh, you don't step on the little girl, Don't step on little girl. Oh, you boss. Oh, come on, you boss. What about little girl? Little girl. Little girl. Come on. Oh. 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 Oh, you want me to touch you, right? Big boy, don't do like that, big boy. Don't do like that, big boy. No, big boy, no. Big boy, no, big boy, no, okay? Don't do like that, No, not act like that. She's your sister, She's your sister. This boy. He was angry. What is fun? Oh, you gentle boy. You gentle boy. You gentle boy. Yeah, alright, but this one, worry. This one. Now sleep. Oh. Lazy one. This one, and worry. A little girl, look, sure. Come on, little girl. Jump. Don't touch her. You're a big boy, don't touch her, A big boy. Don't touch her, big boy. Hey, boy. What you doing, boy? What you doing, boy? Oh. Come on. You're strong enough to walk, I think. Maybe next week you can eat some more rice. We can put some more food for you, okay? Oh, no. What happened, huh? What happened, little girl? Yeah, big boy. Big boy. No, big boy. Big boy. Oh, no. No, big boy, no. What do you want, huh? Huh? What do you guys want, huh? What do you guys want to do, huh? Big boy always crying, always calling. What do you want, huh, big boy? Huh? What do you want, big boy? A big boy looks so cute. A big boy looks so cute. Oh, this one also. You also. You want me to touch you also? You want me to touch you also? Okay. Oh, and some and. You guys need to take some showers every day, okay? For both of you. Also, no, 3 of you. Take care. And miss it out, okay? Oh, you hungry? Oh, are you hungry? Big boy, you hungry? You're tired. You're tired. Yeah. Hey. No bites, okay? Big boy, no bites. Huh? No bite. Oh, yeah, the tiger. Now let me touch you. Let me hold you. Yeah, see the camera. You can see the camera. Little girl, you can see the camera. Huh? Oh, look at your eye, full of tears. You know what happened? Huh? What happened to you? Huh? Don't cry. Don't cry. You small one. Don't cry. Huh? Yeah, look at big boy. Big boy. Yeah, big boy. Lazy one. Oh, look at this boy. Okay, I hold you. Okay, here we go. You cry also. Don't cry, okay? So you don't cry. Brother and sister, you know? Big boy. Look at you. Oh, you just do like this. Do your face like that, very angry. Angry face. Okay, so right now I will take a small little girl to let her mother feed her, you know, because she's smaller and maybe not enough milk. Yes. Okay, big boy is okay. Okay. Yeah. Okay.